This is everything you need to know to clean and unblock your drains in your bathroom. Hi, my name is Matt, and having a clean drain will avoid future blockages. Let's get into it. Over time, a communal drain like a bathroom sink or bath can clog pretty quickly. You might look at a non-hazardous natural solution like cleaning vinegar, which is able to loosen up all the compact muck inside and wash the drain out. To do this, pour a cup of boiling hot water down the sink, followed by a cup of baking soda and then a mixed cup of half water and half cleaning vinegar. Then cover the sink with a plug for 5 to 10 minutes. You'd be surprised with how much dirt, grime and hair is built up on a daily basis in your bathroom. That's why it's important to find a friendly and easy solution to avoid drain blockages. Make sure before you start you remove any objects like toys or hair. Using this drain cleaner, simply pour the solution down the drain. Wait a couple of minutes and rinse to get a fresh and effective water flow. This works due to the concentrated enzyme formula, which opens slow or blocked drains, breaking down everyday dirt and grime. Now onto the most common form of blockages, toilets. The most common way to unblock a toilet is with a plunger. Place down in the bowl, leaving enough water to cover the plunger and firmly push in and out, keeping the seal tight. This will force water in both directions of your drain, allowing you to clear the toilet out. If that doesn't work, try a toilet auger. Insert the cable and twist the handle. As you rotate the handle, the metal cable will drew through the drain clogs without scratching the pipes. Then take it out before flushing. For major or ongoing problems, we recommend you speak to a professional plumber. And there you have it, some ways to keep your drains clear and free from blockages. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.